In this video I will show you how to transfer photos or videos from Android to your laptop or PC. First of all, connect the cable to your Android device and to your PC. When the connection is established, open the notification panel on your Android device. Then expand the notification about charging your device by tapping on the icon. Next, tap on the notification. More USB connection options will open. Tap on File Transfer. After that, the file storage of Android device will be connected to your PC. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. Next, let's move to the PC screen. Click on the search bar and with the help of keyboard type File Explorer. Open it. In the File Explorer window that appears, click on this PC in the left pane. The devices connected to your PC will be shown. You need to click on the Android device twice with the left mouse button. I have a Pixel 7 Pro. Then double-click again to enter the internal storage. Next, when we are inside, we need a folder named DCIM, and inside that is the camera folder. Left-click twice to enter Open all folders. After that we can see all the photos and videos from Android device. Let's select one of the files and copy it to our PC. To do this, right-click on the file and select Copy from the menu. Then minimize the window with files by clicking on the button in the upper right corner of this window. After that, right-click on an empty space on the desktop and select the paste icon in the menu that appears. Thank you for watching.